The possibilities of making money online these days simply by using either your mobile phone or computer are endless. You can literally just click a few buttons to make money without any skills or experience. Now just picture yourself doing that as many times as you'd like every single day. That sounds pretty ideal, right? This method I'm about to show you in today's video is completely free and is accessible to everyone worldwide. I'm going to be breaking down 2 methods in today's video to help you get paid online. If you don't follow closely and complete all the steps for one of them, you won't be able to make money with this process. So make sure you pay close attention and that you follow every single step throughout this entire video. So let's get straight into it. But before we start this video, be sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendation when it comes to making money online as a complete beginner. Thousands of ordinary people are making a lot of money from this, so be sure to check this out yourself. The website I'll be showing you in this video to make money online is called Pidera.com. But before you go to that website right now, I strongly encourage you to watch this entire video first because I'm going to cover a lot of information here, including extra tips of information to sign up for free bonuses, extra strategies to make more money quickly, and a few step-by-step examples. I will also be revealing one common mistake that you'll want to avoid so you'll be able to actually withdraw your money and cash out. So the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Pidera.com. As it says on their homepage, you can turn your time into money. Pidera will pay you to complete surveys. And what's really nice about this website is that the payout is relatively fast. After you sign up, you can get paid immediately. You can do this in any country around the world, as there are no country restrictions whatsoever. You can also complete the surveys on your computer or phone, which is another amazing feature about this website. Once you earn a minimum of $5, you can then cash out your money immediately and then get paid the next day. There's also no limit of jobs or tasks that you can complete. It's unlimited, so you can literally continue working and earn as much as you'd like every single day. You'll notice that there are several different tasks that you can complete in order to get paid on Pidera.com. It shows that you can sign up or subscribe to other websites and offers, complete surveys, upload videos, invite friends, write articles, and much more. All of these options exist on this one website, making it very easy to have a lot of variety in the tasks that you can complete. They currently have nearly 1 million members and have completed nearly 8 million tasks with about 1.5 thousand payments that have been sent to those members. And make sure you stick around because I'll show you how you can earn money like this and why you should choose Pidera. I'll show you hundreds of different payment proofs proving that individuals are actually profiting from this website time and time again. You can join right now and begin to earn money on this website with this strategy. In order to create your own account, just go up here and click on the blue button that says Create an Account. Once you click that, you'll be redirected to this page where you will fill in your personal information like your first name, last name, username, email address, password confirmation, and then you'll just click on this blue button that says Sign Up and Create My Account. After you've signed up for your free account, you can begin to make money by completing surveys, creating short articles, inviting friends, completing tasks, downloading apps, and more. I'll explain how you can do all of this properly. You'll have access to taking an unlimited amount of surveys, with new surveys being added every single day. All you need to do is click on the refresh button to see brand new surveys appear on the website. If you see here, you'll notice that the surveys will only pay you between 20 to 60 or 70 cents per survey. And I know that may seem like not very much money, but don't worry because this is where the fun begins. Get ready for me to show you how you can significantly increase the amount of money you can earn from this website alone. I'll be walking you through an example of how you can do this exactly and how you can start clicking buttons to get paid. Before I show you how to do this, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already and like this video. Also, be sure to click on the notification bell so you are notified every time we upload a brand new video teaching you how to make money online. All right, let's get back to the video. So now I'm going to show you an example of one of these surveys that you can take on this website. The first thing you need to do is just click right here on this button to take the survey. That will then redirect you to this page where you can see the amount you'll get paid out. You also might be able to just start taking the survey immediately by clicking on that button. And what's nice is that you won't have to answer anything seriously. All you need to do is click on the Start Survey button and it'll redirect you to this website. So an example of a question that might be asked first is your gender. You can answer the question accordingly and then continue on to the next question on the survey. But then it will ask you another question, which will probably be a multiple choice question. You can then answer that question and click on the arrow or continue button down below once again. What's so amazing about this website is that every single question that you answer can earn you $1. We've completed 3 questions so far, so we've earned a total of $3. So again, answer the question however you like, and then go down and click on the continue button to proceed to the next question. You can literally do this as many times as you want, every single day, and earn as much money as you'd like. You just keep answering questions and then clicking the continue button down below to continue on to the next question. And again, every time you answer one of these questions, you're adding another dollar which will be added right away after you finish the question. Just repeat this process to continue earning money. In order to earn even more money, you can repeat this process for several different surveys. There are literally thousands of surveys to choose from on this website. And a great part about this website is that once you complete the first 10 surveys, you can unlock new surveys that will offer you twice as much money. That's an amazing perk on this website that I've never seen before in any other website that offers survey tasks. This means that you can literally earn $2 for every survey that you complete instead of just $1. So if you continue this process, you'll soon be able to start earning double the money for the same work that you do. Every 10 surveys you complete, your money will just be doubled and you'll start earning more and more money exponentially. You're probably thinking to yourself, why exactly this website will pay you just simply by filling out surveys and pressing buttons? The reason why they provide these offers to you is so that they can show you their website advertisements. Their goal is to get you to click on their ads unintentionally so that they will earn a profit. That's the reason why you see a bunch of ads on one single page. So let's say that if I accidentally click on this ad right here, Pidera will then earn a profit. Their goal is for you to continue to visit their websites and press the continue button so that you hopefully will accidentally just click on one of their ads so that they can then receive a profit. That's how this website works, and that's how they are able to make money. So next, I will show you how to prevent yourself from clicking the ads. But before I do, make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendation when it comes to making money online as a complete beginner. Okay, let's return to the video. So in order for you to prevent yourself from clicking the ads and save time so you can earn money as quickly as possible, just scroll to the bottom and click on continue. That way, you can just continue to repeat this process over and over again so you can make as much money as possible. They might ask you a random question every now and then, where you will then just answer any of the options provided, then go down below and click on next. This website is designed where they want people to sign up, click on these buttons, answer and complete all these surveys, and then make money as a result. If this process is done properly and effectively, they'll also profit from the use of the paid ads within this website. That's what makes this a win-win situation where people can complete their surveys to earn money and for Pidera to earn money through ads. So the best way for you to navigate this website and make as much money as possible is just by simply ignoring these ads because they're only there for Pidera to profit from. So what you will want to do is go down to the bottom and click on the continue button every time. This will enable you to perform several different tasks and earn even more money. I know that a lot of you watching this video are from outside the US, so I just want to reassure you that all nations are welcomed and able to use this platform, and there are no country restrictions when using Pidera. You can also work as much as you'd like, making you your own boss. Another bonus tip that I'd like to mention to you is that after you complete all of the surveys, you can just continue to refresh the website and wait for brand new surveys to pop up and appear. You can continue checking to see if new ones pop up, or you can receive a notification in your account. You will then be provided with brand new surveys that you can take to earn money. The main thing you want to focus on is going through this process that I just showed you in great detail. Focus on avoiding these ads and clicking continue after you answer each survey question. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to learn about another way to make money online, check out this video right here.